Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, grade 5. Today our lesson is about PowerPoint. Again, this is the last lesson of PowerPoint that we'll take in this unit. But we'll divide this lesson in two parts. The first part is about editing slides. Now, most of these topics for editing slide we have already done. But just as a revision, we'll take these lessons again as a quick review. So, editing slide mean to copy, paste, change, delete, remove, rename, and so on. So, the first topic we take is how to copy slides. Now, as you all know, this is Microsoft Office. We have two ways to copy and paste. That is with the shortcut keys, copy and paste, or we use the mouse. So in order to copy a slide, let us see how we can copy. But before that, I want all of you to remember the rule, the most important rule for editing, which I often talk about, is to select. If you want to copy, you want to paste, you want to cut, you want to delete, anything you want to do or any editing you want to do, you must select the slide. Let me put a couple of slides here. Okay, another slide, this layout, and so on. Now these are our slides. Slide 1. This can be slide 2. And this is my slide 3. Okay, now the first lesson is to copy and paste. So just select, I want to copy slide number 2. Okay, select. You can use the shortcut key or you can right click and copy. And you want to paste, for example, if you want to paste after second or after third, just click on the third one and paste. Right click and paste. Sorry, right click and paste. Okay, so there you go, we have the same slide number 2 here pasted. Similarly, you can do it with shortcut key. Just select the slide, copy and paste. Okay, the next topic is how to delete a slide. It's very easy. You can do it with the keyboard, the two keys here, the delete key and this delete key on the numeric pad, or you can use your mouse. So let's delete a slide. I would delete the third slide. So the first way is to select. Again, remember the rule, select and press delete on your keyboard. So you see, when I press deleted, it got deleted. Or use the right click on your mouse and click delete. The slide is deleted. So these are the two ways to delete a slide. The next thing is, which is we are taking it in every lesson, all the previous lessons that we took in PowerPoint, we talk about the layouts. Layout is what? Is basically the view or the display of each slide. As you can see here, there are different layouts. Means each slide should be displayed differently, and they have different name also. Title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only black. You can use layout depending on your requirement. Now, for example, this second slide, I have its layout that is to content, and I want to change it to title only layout, or I want to change it to blank. So in order to do that, please make sure not to select new slide, because new slide will create a new slide. Here we want the same slide which I am on to change its layout. So in order to do that, select the slide, go to layout and change it to title only. So you see my slide title change to, or its style change to title only. The last topic of our today's lesson is changing the background color. Now we are also taking the background colors through a tab or through the menu bar, which is called design. Now in design we can choose multiple options, multiple designs to change, or for example you want to put a different color or different background for each slide. So in order to do that, you go to design menu or design tab. In here you will see background option. In the background option, choose design styles. Here are some of the design that you can choose, or if you want more you can click on format background. Now here we have different options. We have solid colors. You can change solid color, you can put a color and you can adjust its transparency. Transparency is how transparent it should be. You have gradients, okay, to make your slide look different. You see, you can change the transparency here also. You can change the brightness here as well. Okay, next thing, if you want to put a picture, so you can put a picture from the file. Okay, select, and here you can put a picture. You can change the transparency of it also, or you can choose a predefined picture that is already from the PowerPoint, or you can put a clip art. Clipboard is with picture that you have copied. Okay, and the last thing is you can choose any pattern to make your slide background. The best option here is to use a picture or use a gradient. As you can see, the gradient is more beautiful. The other thing is, at the moment you can see here only first slide is colored. If you want the same color on all the slide, just click apply to all. But if you don't want this and you want the other slide with a different color or a picture, just click close. Go to another slide, go to design, background style, format background, and here you can choose a different style for your picture as you like. Click close. But if you click apply to all the slides will change to the same that you just select at the end. So this is how we change the background of the slide. So your lesson at home is to complete this activity on page 78. You have to do it in a PowerPoint, and your homework will be a worksheet that you will find on the school website. I hope you understand. Please, if you have any question, contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.